Hello everyone, this is new English channel JEE Prep English. So this channel is exclusively for the non-Hindi speaking students. And myself Alaka and your mathematics educator in Unacademy. I've completed my masters from Manipal Institute of Technology. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience, and if you want to reach out to me, you can either use my Telegram handle or my Instagram handle. Also, you can follow my profile in Unacademy so that you will be getting updates regarding my classes. Also, you can use the code Alaka10 so that you can avail a 10% discount on your subscription purpose as well. Few announcements has to be made. Unacademy's Champs 2.0 will be conducted on 2nd of January at 2 p.m. For 3 hours, the exam will be conducted. You can enroll using the code Alaka Live. Okay. And also, the offer was valid till 29th of December, so that has been gone. And new batches. Okay. And All India Mock Test Series for your JEE 2022 is also starting from 2nd of January. It will be conducted every Sunday from 2 to 5 p.m. The enrollment for this is totally free. You can use the code Alaka Live. And also, Ask a Doubt feature is now available in Unacademy website for all our learners in IIT. You can just upload the question. You can ask up to 3 doubts at a go, and you can get solution in your preferred languages, and you can just submit your doubts through your Unacademy website or through the Learners app. Yes, shall we start with the first question? The first question is on your screen. The locus of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines. You're supposed to find the orthocenter of the triangle. And how is the triangle formed? Using 3 lines. The first line is given, that is 1 plus p into x minus py plus p into 1 plus p is equal to 0. The second line is 1 plus q into x minus qy plus q into 1 plus q equal to 0, and the third line is y equal to 0. Here p is not equal to q. So the locus of the orthocenter will form in what shape? Will it be a hyperbola, a parabola, an ellipse, or a straight line? This was an IIT JEE 2009 question. Do the question. The first question is on your screen. Shrikant, lag is there? Okay, Shrikant says there is a lag. Give me 1 minute. Let me rectify it. You can do the question till then. Now I believe the lag problem has been rectified. Now the problem is rectified, I believe. There is no lag as well. Okay. Yes, the lag has been rectified. So let us start with the first question. That is, they have asked for the locus of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines. 3 lines are given. Okay, you are supposed to find whether the locus of the orthocenter is a hyperbola or a parabola or an ellipse or a straight line. Okay. Yes. So starting with the first question. Question number 1. So if I am considering the intersection point of y equal to 0, the third line was y equal to 0, right? So the intersection point of y equal to 0 and the first line, okay, the first line, I am not writing the whole sentence, okay, the intersection point of y equal to 0 and first line will be what? I can consider that point to be equal to b, that is minus p0, okay. Then the intersection point of y equal to 0 and the second line. So we have got 2 vertices actually. Okay, it can be called as A, that is minus q0. Clear? Now the intersection point of the 2 lines, that is the first and the second line, can be say called C, which will be PQ comma P plus 1 into Q plus 1. You can check for yourself. So these will be your 3 intersection points, that is the 3 vertices of your triangle ABC. Okay. So the altitude, if I am considering the altitude from C to AB is what? X equals to PQ you will get. Okay, and the altitude from B to AC, opposite side, okay, will be what? Y equal to minus Q by 1 plus Q into X plus P. Okay. Now, solving these 2 equations will give you what? You will be getting x equals to PQ itself and y equals to minus PQ you will get. Okay. So, what is it? Therefore, the locus of orthocenter is x plus y equal to 0. And what is it? It is a straight line ka equation. So your answer is what? Option 4. Option 4 will be your final answer. Yes, Yuvraj Singh, very good. Right answer. Straight line is the correct answer. True. Very good. Moving on to your second question. Question number 2. Straight line L. Straight line L through the point 3 minus 2 is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the line root 3x plus y equal to 1. If L also intersects the x-axis, then the equation of L is which among the option is the equation of L? This is an IIT JEE 2011 question. A straight line L through the point 3 minus 2 is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the line root 3x plus y equal to 0. If L also intersects the x-axis, then the equation of L is okay. The second question ka discussion we will do. Question number 2. So if you observe, if I am drawing the lines, okay, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. X-axis. Okay, so we will be having two straight lines. One straight line and the other one is my line L. It is said that the line L intersects the x-axis as well. Okay, so and given that the angle between them is what? 60 degree. Okay, and a point is existing in the line L which is 3 minus 2. Okay, and also the second line ka equation is what? You will be getting y equal to minus root 3x plus 1. Okay, and the point of intersection of this line with the y-axis will be what? Clearly 0, 1. So these many things you will be understanding from your question itself. Okay, I believe that much everybody has understood. Perfect, very good. Now, moving on to the calculation part. So, if I'm suppose or if I'm finding out the slope of the required line, okay, the slope of the required line, let it be m, okay, then in that case, I can write that m plus root 3, okay, upon 1 minus root 3m ka modulus value will be what? The root 3 value. Okay? Because the angle between them is 60. Perfect. So, after solving this, you will be getting m plus root 3 will be equal to plus or minus root 3 minus 3m. Okay? Where m is equal to 0 or m is equal to root 3. Okay? Therefore, the equation will be what? Y plus 2 equals to root 3 times x minus 3. Okay? Here, you have to remember that m value cannot be equal to 0. Why? As the given, okay, as the given line should cut the x-axis, m value cannot be equal to 0. So, after solving this, you will be getting your final answer, which will be root 3x minus y minus 2 plus 3 root 3 equals to 0. Okay, rearrange them. You will be getting your required answer, which is option 2. Option 2 will be your right answer. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, ask. Note it down, everyone. The figure and the explanation. Considering the slope of the required line LBM, then with respect to the 60 degree, you can use the m and the root 3 values of the second line and then solve for m. Okay, m cannot be equal to 0. Why? Because the given line, it is said that it cuts the x-axis. Okay. So, for m equals to root 3, solve it and you will be getting your answer. Yes, moving on to your third question. Third question. For a greater than b greater than c greater than 0, the distance between 1 comma 1 and the point of intersection of the lines, which are the two lines ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and bx plus ay plus c equals to 0, is less than 2 root 2. The point of intersection and the point 1 comma 1, cut distance should be less than 2 root 2. This is the third question. If you have any doubt, ask. Yes. Shall we start the discussion? Third question, everybody. Question number 3. Okay. Now, in the given question, if you are solving the given lines for their point of intersection, the given lines ka point of intersection will be what? Point of intersection. Of the lines will be minus C upon A plus B, comma, minus C upon A plus B. This will be the point of intersection, okay? And its distance, we are going to calculate the distance, right? Its distance from 1, 1 should be less than 2 root 2. So what is the distance? Root of 1 plus C upon A plus B ka whole square plus 1 plus C upon A plus B ka whole square. And this value should be less than 2 root 2. Okay. Now, if I am cross multiplying or if I am finding out the LCM, I will be getting A plus B plus C ka whole square upon A plus B ka square. Okay, I am squaring both the sides, left hand side and the right hand side. Plus the same thing, A plus B plus C ka whole square upon A plus B whole square. Should be less than what? It should be less than 8. That is 4 into 2. That will be 8. Okay. So this is happening twice. So 2 times. So 2 can be cancelled on both the sides and you will be getting A plus B plus C ka whole square should be less than 4 times A plus B ka square. A plus B whole square. Okay. Perfect. Now, if I am taking everything to one side or taking 4 inside, that will be 2 square, right? So this can be also written as a plus b plus c whole square to be less than, this is nothing but, let me write it here, it will be 2 into a plus b ka whole square, which can be also written as 2a plus 2b ka whole square. Taking everything to one side, you will be having a plus b plus c whole square minus 2a plus 2b ka whole square less than 0. Okay, now again, if I am rearranging it or if I am factorizing it, I will be getting c minus a minus b into c plus 3a plus 3b to be less than 0. Since I know that a should be greater than b should be greater than c greater than 0. So my c minus a minus b value should be less than 0, or a plus b minus c value should be greater than 0. And in a conclusion, what will be my final answer? It would be option 1. Option 1 will be my final answer. That is, a plus b minus c should be greater than 0. Either of the two conditions should be the answer, and the second condition is given as option 1. Hence, option 1 will be your answer. Clear? I believe there are no doubts. Perfect. Moving on to your fourth question, I believe. Question number 4. This is a JEE Advanced 2014 wala question. For a point P in the plane, let D1 of P and D2 of P be the distances of the point P from the lines x minus y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 0 respectively. The area of the region R consisting of all the points P lying in the first quadrant of the plane and satisfying 2 less than D1 of P plus D2 of P less than or equal to 4 is. Try the question. The numerical value type question. you have any doubt, ask. Okay, I believe we shall discuss the solution. So, the fourth question. So here, given that for p x comma y, what do we have? We have that 2 less than or equal to d1 of p plus d2 of p to be less than or equal to 4. Okay, and then we have, in that case, 2 should be less than or equal to, what is d1 of p? It will be x minus y ka mod value upon root 2 plus x plus y ka mod value upon root 2 to be less than or equal to 4. Okay, now if I am taking the LCM, I will be getting 2 root 2 less than or equal to mod of x minus y plus mod x plus y less than or equal to 4 root 2. Okay, now if I am using, say, the theory that in first quadrant, so first quadrant, if I am using, okay, if my x value is greater than y, okay, in first quadrant, if x value is greater than y, then in that case I can consider it as 2 root 2 to be less than or equal to x minus y plus x plus y, because x value will be positive and greater than y, right? So to be less than or equal to 4 root 2. Y value will cancel, 2x will be there, cancelling 2 all over, you will be getting 2 root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 root 2. Okay, this you will be getting, this you will be getting. Okay, the region of point satisfying this inequality, what will be the region of the point satisfying this inequality? It will be, say, my y-axis, x-axis, pardon me for the slanted lines. Okay, so you will be getting, you will be getting y equal to x ka region. You have 0, 1, root 2, 2, 2 root 2, 3, likewise. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3. General idea you are getting, right? So the region will be here. Okay, now again, if you are considering in the first quadrant itself, okay, first quadrant, here if my x value is less than y, okay, if my x value is less than y, in that case we are going to look, okay. Previously it was this region we were considering, okay. In here the solving part itself, you can see that 2 root 2 will be less than or equal to y minus x plus y, okay, to be less than or equal to 4 root 2. So x and x value will get cancelled, 2y we will have, cancelling 2 throughout, you will be getting root 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2 root 2, okay. And the region of points satisfying the inequalities is, so the region will be x-axis region, y-axis it is, okay. Then you have 1, 2, 3, likewise in between you have root 2, 2 root 2, okay, likewise. And my line will be y equal to x, then we have 1, 2, 3, likewise, okay, this will be 0. So this will be the region that we are talking about, okay, this will be the region. Now combining both these regions, what do I get? Combining both regions, okay, we will be getting y-axis, x-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The required points are root 2, 2 root 2, again root 2, 2 root 2, and the line is x equals to y, so or y equal to x, okay. And the area of the required region will be what? It will be 2 root 2 ka whole square minus root 2 ka square, which is equal to 2 root 2 square will be 8 minus 2, that would be 6 unit square or square unit, 6 square unit it is, okay. And your numerical answer will be what? 6 square unit in that case. Koi doubt? If you have any doubt, ask. Moving on to your next question. If 5a plus 5b plus 20c equal to t, then the value of t for which the line ax plus by plus c minus 1 equals to 0 always passes through a fixed point is. This is the fifth question. Question number 5. So this is a numerically based question, numerical value based question. The question I'll repeat. If 5a plus 5b plus 20c equals to t, then the value of t for which The line ax plus by plus c minus 1 equal to 0 always pass through a fixed point. Okay, I believe all of you have got the answer. Let us check how to do the question. So, the fifth question it is, right? The fifth question. So, given the equation is what? Ax plus by plus c minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So, if I am dividing each of them with c minus 1, I will be getting ax upon c minus 1 plus by upon c minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So, remember that this equation of line has what? It has two independent parameters. It has two independent parameters. Okay, it has two independent parameters. Okay, and in the equation 5a plus 5b plus 20c equals to 10. Okay, equals to t. If I am converting the 20c to the RHS, I will be getting 5a plus 5b equals t minus 20c. Okay, dividing the whole equation by c minus 1, I will be having 5a upon c minus 1 plus 5b upon c minus 1 is equal to what? 10 minus 20c upon c minus 1. Okay. So, if my t value is equal to 20, if my t value is equal to 20, what do I get? My RHS is independent of what? C. When t equal to 20, my RHS will be, right hand side will be independent of C. Okay. Therefore, what is your answer? Your option will be, there are no options. This is a numerically based question, right? So, the final answer is what? Answer is equal to 20. Okay. The final answer is equal to 20. Okay. So, with this, let us wind up today's session. I'll see you all in half an hour, say 12:30, with a new chapter, circles. Okay. Circles ka previous year questions we'll be discussing. Lots of questions and a solution discussion will be also done. So, I'll see you all at 12:30. Bye-bye.